Hello, everyone. I come from Huawei. I'm Feng Chengwen, and it's lucky to be the last topic before lunch. Because maybe we will discuss it later. The topic is about introducing agriculture parsing library. The agenda is very simple. And first, I will introduce this new library in DPDK and why we introduce it. And then I will mainly introduce the main features and use also very simple user examples. And there is also another API I want to introduce. The last is okay. There is next, and thank you. This library is upstreamed in DPDK and in last years, and is available in all OS platform. Thanks, Andrew. And also, currently is used in 2 examples. So when we introduce this library, and yes, we may see it from other softwares, for example, Python. It has 3 modules to could parsing the argument system get options and Argparse. And for Rust, and there is also many class could do the argument parsing. For the mainly used is class command line argument parser. Yes, its goal is to simplify the DPDK argument parsings. Yes, there are many DPDK argument parsings in DPDK, yes, in many examples and apps, and also in EL library. The main features, and yes, their support is just we could think this the features is the middle between the get options and Python's agriculture parser library. So it supports the parsing option argument, and it could take a no value, required value, and also option value. And it also supports parsing opposition argument, and also parsing multi-stem argument. For example, the black, the allowed list, and the block list, and many block list, many allowed list. And the next is that it also support atomic generate usage information. It also support issue errors when provided with invalidated argument. And there is 2 ways to parsing the argument. The first way is that just the autosave, and it will used for parsing no value type, for example, int and other other no type. And the second way is the callback. So just we provide a way that you just fill a callback, then you use the callback to parsing the input. Here is one example, and it's in the document of this library. It's very unlike the before and get options, and they spend many different places, and this is just locate one structures, and yes, and in the main function we just invoke and RT parsing API, and just in one line. It's happy to go introduce another API, and this is the API, and yeah, this library is mainly 2 APIs. The first, the previous is the mainly APIs, and the second is that, and is side. I think is side functions of these libraries, and so that people could use this API and to parsing and no values, and yes. For example, the second parameter, the indict, and what I want to interpret the import to the target type. Yes. The next, and maybe have two plans, and the first is that parsing commas call list, which have many repeat implementation in many examples. The second is that maybe we could use more examples in apps, and maybe currently maybe plan to test DMA perf. Yes. And the new apps maybe are welcome to use these new features. Okay, it's just 5 minutes. 1 second.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Question? Or is everybody super hungry and want to go and get some lunch?
Yes, super hungry.
All right. All right. Thanks for a great morning, everybody.